students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I'm Firas Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is real life situations involving division of one-digit numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve number stories involving division up to one-digit numbers. Well, my dear students, for dividing numbers, in real life situation, you must have some kind of words, जो कि आप अपनी रियल लाइफ में उनको यूज करते हैं. ये वर्ड्स अगर आपको याद रह जाएं तो आपको याद रहता है कि आपने डिवीजन का प्रोसेस करना है. कैसे करना है वो वर्ड्स आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू राइट नाउ. सो दीज वर्ड्स आर गिवन ओवर हियर. यू कैन चेक ऑन योर स्क्रीन दिस वन. Key words for division, and you know that the division symbol is a straight line, then a dot up and a dot down. Do remember that. Well, so the key words over here are divide, cut up, share, quotient, each, half, divided by, and finally the thing is how many in each. Basically the word each is really very important. This word is going to tell you that one more word is also here, that is equally. Distribute equally, divide equally. So this thing is going to tell you that equally means that there is no leftover, means the remainder is 0. Okay, so now I am going to tell you the basic procedure or the steps which you are going to use to solve word problem or real life situation. We need to start from this word. The word you need to remember is cubers. This is the word, cubers. C over here stands for circle the numbers. U over here stands for underline. This is underline the keywords. B stands for box the question. E stands for evaluate the operation, and R stands for rephrase the statements. Finally, S stands for solve in steps. Okay, step-by-step solution of the word problem. Now, my dear students, I am going to solve an example for you so that you will have practice or you can understand the concept easily. The example is Aslam bought 24 toffees. He distributed them among 3 children equally. How many toffees each will get? Question mark. This is the question. Now, my dear students, what we need to do according to Cubers word. The word Cubers is going to tell you that see, circle the numbers. So you need to circle the numbers. Hurry up and find out the numbers. The numbers are 24 and the number 3. Okay, just to circle them. Now, the second step, what to do? Underline the keywords. So we are going to underline the keywords. Check in this word problem, Aslam is the main character. So I am going to underline this word as a keyword. Now, what he did? He bought something. This is also a very important thing which he did. So, bought I will underline. Toffees I will underline because toffees are the things which he bought. Okay. Now I will underline distributed. Then I will underline children because children are really very important because the quantity of children is given over here 3. And the word equally is telling me that the whole thing is distributed. There is no leftover. Means there is remainder 0. Now, what next? The next thing is how many I am going to underline. Each I am going to underline because how many each, if you remember from the keywords, how many each were also given over there. Okay. So now, my dear students, we are going to actually starting the word problem. Now, I am going to box the question. B stands for box the question. So, I am going to box this one like this. You can check on your screen. This is boxed now. Now, what next? E. E stands for evaluate the operation. From this word, how many each? I got that this is division word problem. Now, R stands for rephrase the statement, means I can rephrase the statements according to my understanding, right? And that must be a smaller one. Choti si statements only in which we are going to have equality symbol. Okay, now what to do next? The next thing is we are going to solve the word problems. S stands for step. Okay, solve in steps. Do remember that. We are not going to write down the direct answer instead of solving the problem in steps. Now, here, I'm going to rephrase the statements. So, first thing you need to check the first sentence. Aslam bought 24 toffees. Aslam bought 24 toffees. So, I will write it like this. Aslam bought toffees is equal to 24. Now, the second sentence is, he distributed them among 3 children equally. So, I will get this idea that, from my understanding that, कि ये इसने 3 children में distribute किए हैं. So, यहाँ से मुझे ये भी पता चल रहा है कि ये क्या है? What is 3 children? 3 children are basically the number of children. Okay, so you are going to write it down like this. Number of children is equals to 3. Now, finally, the third statement. The third statement is this. How many toffees each will get? From this statement, I will get that I have to find out what? I have to find out each child's distributed toffee. हर बच्चे को टॉफी मिली है. I have to find this thing out. So, इस अंडरस्टैंडिंग को मैंने रिफ्रेज करना है. कैसे करूंगी? I will write it down like each child will get toffees. हर बच्चे को टॉफी मिली है और मैंने ये मालूम करना है कितनी मिली है. तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूंगी? बिल्कुल मैंने ई से इवेलुएट कर लिया है ऑपरेशन को, जिससे मुझे पता चला है कि मैंने डिवाइड करना है. सो इससे मुझे जब ये पता चल गया कि मैंने डिवाइड करना है, तो अब मैं जल्दी से चेक कर लेती हूँ कि कौन सा नंबर इस डिवीजन सिंबल के अंदर आएगा, लॉन्ग डिवीजन सिंबल के, और कौन सा बाहर आएगा. बिल्कुल आप मुझे बताएंगे. बिल्कुल नंबर 24, क्योंकि टोटल क्वांटिटी कितनी है? 24. डिविडेंड अंदर आएगा. बिल्कुल. और डिवाइजर जो कि है नंबर 3, दिस नंबर 3 विल कम आउटसाइड. सो व्हाट टू डू? मैं क्या करूंगी? जल्दी से मैं 3 का टेबल रिकॉल करूंगी एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप द टेबल अंटिल और अनलेस आई विल गेट द नंबर 24 या उससे छोटा नंबर मिल जाएगा. क्योंकि ये नंबर मैंने आपको बताया है कि इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, तो ये नंबर एक्जैक्टली बराबर आना चाहिए. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने रिकॉल करना है 3 के टेबल को और आपको लाजमी तौर पर 3 के टेबल में 24 मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. सो जल्दी से आपने 3 का टेबल रिकॉल करना है. डू इट राइट नाउ. 3 1s are 3. Yes. 3 2s are 6. Very good. 3 3s are 9. Up to this thing, I'm just going to recalling the table again and again. So, क्या पता चला मुझे? 3 8s are 24 आता है. I will write the number 8 over here on the top like this, and then I'm going to write minus 24 because I have to subtract this number. Okay. Then I will write a straight line. You already know that I will draw a straight line. Then I will do subtraction, and you know that 24 minus 24 is 0. And I will write the number 8 on the top, as I told you earlier as well. Here, this is what? This is quotient, and this 0 is remainder, because मैंने क्या किया है? इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. मीन्स मेरे पास रिमाइंडर लाजमी 0 ही आना चाहिए. सो दिस इज आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर. नाउ व्हाट? आंसर क्या है हमारा? आंसर बिल्कुल हमारा वो है नंबर, वो जो 8 ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, 8 ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. दैट इज माई नंबर. ओके, माई नंबर मीन्स दैट व्हाट आई कैन से, ईच चाइल्ड विल गेट टॉफीज. यस, 8 टॉफीज हर एक को मिलेंगी. सो इसमें मैं ये नंबर ऐसे लिख सकती हूं, each, or I can write it down like so. Each child will get 8 toffees as an ending statement, because जो ending statement होती है वो हमारा बिल्कुल आंसर की फॉर्म में होती है, उसमें हमारे पास इक्वल टू सिंबल नहीं आता. ठीक है, सो ये एंडिंग स्टेटमेंट बेसिकली आपकी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम का आंसर होता है वर्ड्स में ही. ओके, सो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. एंड इस प्रॉब्लम के जरिए से मुझे ये पता चल गया कि अगर 24 टॉफीज 3 बच्चों में इक्वली डिवाइड होंगी तो हर बच्चे को कितनी टॉफी मिलेगी? बिल्कुल 8 टॉफी मिलेगी हर बच्चे को. I hope the whole situation and concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.